Mommy, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Fine. Because I was walking on the sidewalk and you were there too. And then I shipped to pick up a walk. I shipped in white dust. And when I shipped, I squeezed my knee and just started to laugh. Because I had on my butt and everything.
And
My book bag. And I hated my mom. Which sucks.